Okay, what do we got here? What are we opening? It's a new vacuum?
Yes. Yep. The iLIFE Robot Vacuum.
Is it?
I don't know the exact name of it.
How you feeling? Feeling better?
It's one of those vacuums that self-docks itself.
Yeah, it's like a Roomba, but it's cheaper on Amazon.
It goes by itself.
And all the people that
Can you guys pull on
reviewed
it?
on Amazon said that they had Roombas before, and this is like
The better.
the same thing.
So was it like, how much is it? Like 200 bucks?
$220.
Oh, nice.
Over here.
It goes around by itself, so no one has to push it.
Acting all weird.
$3.
What's wrong?
And we're gonna see how this rolls around the floor.
Probably shouldn't put that on.
No worries.
You okay?
A little tough wrapping there, huh? Oh my gosh. There's
Huh? I opened it the
their
wrong way.
vacuum. Look at that, there it is. It's got a little, wow, look at the wheels on that thing. That's so right on the carpet, huh? So you can grip pretty good. It's pretty cool.
Model
Some
A4s.
spins.
Got the charger.
Kind of. Not really.
Yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. The cord just plugs in the back.
Yeah.
Got a
Some extra filter and some extra
So
things.
that would go. See that.
You plug that in the wall, so that end probably goes in there somewhere.
There's a remote.
Goes in here.
Okay. Good job.
Got a little sword.
Then you just go plug it in down on the floor somewhere, right?
Oh, it's like clean it out.
What are those?
Extra.
Little
Brushes?
sweepers? Oh, okay. So it goes under like, it goes in cracks.
You get that.
It's supposed to get like your baseboards and stuff.
It's pretty neat.
So let's see. Quick
Yeah,
start
with our
drive.
cat, we need one of these.
Have you
What,
seen the
200
videos
bucks?
of cats riding around these?
No, it's pretty funny.
$220 on Amazon. Position the charging base.
This.
Put it against the wall. Wake it up and charge it.
So you gotta put it in auto, press auto, and it wakes it up.
Oh, bitch.
Oh, that's
Try this out.
the same info in different
Wanna
languages.
try it out,
So yeah,
Mommy?
let's plug it in right here.
Safe.
Pretty intuitive, huh? Green auto.
Oh, I didn't press. Did it say to turn it on somewhere? Isn't there? Is that on? Which way would be on? Up or down?
Yeah, the line will be on.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, it's going like that already? Right out of the box it goes?
I guess so. That's it. It's loud. It's not loud. It's supposed to be really quiet. It's one of the things they said on the review. Getting all the lunch.
Oh, look at
snacks
that!
for
It's
the
getting the
kids.
baby food right there. That's awesome.
That Charlie's like, what is this? It's crazy. Look at Charlie's face.
Watch out, Charlie Kid.
Charlie's like, what's going on? Grandpa, what is going on? I'm liking it. I think I need to get one of these.
Quiet. Yeah. Uh-oh, is it stuck?
Yeah, it looks like it's stuck. Thought it didn't it learn the house?
Yeah, I think it, like, I don't know the details of it. Couldn't read that much, but
It's stuck.
Just let it.
Oh, it knows. It found out and it turned.
It'll figure itself out.
Just let it
watch
go,
out,
see what
when it
happens.
goes- Leave the high chair and it'll go around it eventually.
Oh no, it's coming for me.
Charlie! It's going for the Charlie! Look, it's a little
It's
robot.
supposed to be like some kind of an algorithm or something to clean.
Look.
That's really quiet. Like, we can run that while we're sleeping. No problem.
So I wonder if it like gets down to certain battery power and then it just goes to
it
try
goes
to...
back to the dock, yeah.
Oh,
Charlie's
Oh, we're going under the machine.
That's good that you have like lunch food on here.
Yeah. Well, I can vacuum because I took the board off or the hose off my vacuum.
Oh, Charlie likes it. It's all we need.
Get down real close and you can see.
Here, I can get it down there.
Guys, move. Watch out, Charlie.
What do you think, Charlie?
You okay? Yeah?
Yeah. It stopped. Let's going.
There it is. Yay.
Look at that. Look at that white hair. If you got a white dog or a white cat and you feel the pain, it goes right up.
Look at that's funny. Some of that. Oh, there's a cord under there. Uh-oh.
Oh, like an iPhone cord?
Yeah, let me put it that way. Just had to pick up that stuff first. It is all on.
Lost it.
Look at that one.
It's called iLIFE, little vacuum. And it's cheaper than the Rombo and quieter than the
I want to
Rombo.
hold it.
Thanks, Dom. You want to film it? Just watch it. Just film it. There you go.
Make sure you get it. I got it. It's trying to get under there. It's trying.
It learns the house though, but it's different.
So what is it doing?
You can pick it up higher.
Oh, yeah. You made it more power?
Yeah.
What's that tag that's like
It's like a
Oh,
sensor.
it's getting me.
Oh, maybe so. You were supposed to maybe pull this out, Dominique.
How do I stop it? Yay!
I love it. Do you love our robot? It was turn Grayson. I know. But it was pushing it up. It can go under the table. I know. Trying to get under there. There it is.
Yeah, we'll have to get the new so I just put my $500 deductible on the truck. $300.
These are moving for you.
Some mover.
It's gonna get you.
It's your toes. I just gave you a jacket.
So you can just schedule it to go whenever, huh?
Yeah, you can set it all up with this thing. And you can even,
Oh, it's got like a.
I can turn it with this too.
Let's shoot that. Lenny, your mommy's remote. Shoot that. So it's got like all kinds of cool stuff where it's got a clock, you can set timer. And you can up and down the, oh look, a plan. Return it to home, it looks like. And then the strength. It's cool.
See if it goes, press the button.
Press home. Are you pressing home?